everybody. So for pizza, we need some
2, 3, go.
plain flour, oil, water,
Yeast.
yeast, sugar, and everybody, I'm going to put the yeast in the water, but 2 drops,
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Okay.
1, 2. Mom, everybody. So for pizza again, we don't put flour and yeast.
So pour that in the bowl for me.
With a spoon. First,
Put everything inside. Yeah.
now what? Put oil.
Yeah.
Now you have to mix. Mix, Mom.
We need to put that as well. What is that?
I don't know. Mom, it looks like cupcake. Hello, everybody.
Do you think we need more water?
Yes.
Okay. Are you enjoying?
Yes. Now we need more, Mom.
More what?
Water.
Yeah. A little bit at a time, yeah?
Yes. What about all my dirty
I
hands?
can help you.
So I'm gonna finish what my little cheeky brother has left for me. What you have to do now is that you have to knead it with your hands for about 2 minutes, and then the next step is to grab a damp cloth and cover it on top of the bowl for 6 to 7 hours, like that. So you're good for the tomato sauce. For the pizza, you're gonna need 3 to 4 tomatoes. You need a chili. You will need some basil leaves, some chili powder, some salt, some chili flakes, mixed herbs which include thyme, basil, marjoram, and oregano. You will need oregano, which is separate, and you will need black peppercorn. I've blended this tomato and I've made a puree, and now I've hit the pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna put the bay leaves inside, chili, the sauce, so after putting the tomato sauce in, you will need 1 to 3 teaspoons of chili powder, now you will need 1 teaspoon of salt, and now you will need some chili flakes, some mixed herbs, and some oregano. There. And now you need some black peppercorn, so you will also need a tablespoon of sugar and mix it well. Cover it with the lid for 10-15 minutes. And then put your flame up to like medium and then let it cook for 10-15 minutes. Then your sauce is done. 15 minutes, the pizza sauce will cool down like this.
Excellent.
We're making pizza base. Sauce on top and then cheese on it. Right now, we're going to put cheese on right now.
Do you like cheese?
Yes.
So can we just
Sprinkle
put some
it
more
around.
cheese on top, please?
Okay. There. Now I'm going to be making my pizza base with tomato sauce, some cheese and some sweet corn. I want mine a bit bigger, so I'm going to be doing this. And now I'm going to be putting some sauce, some tomato sauce on it. You have to take quite a bit if you want it, if your pizza is big, like my one. Nice, so this is done now. I'm going to be putting some sweet corn on it as I like it. You can also put some vegetables, some fruits like pineapple, jalapeno, then olives. Now I'm going to put some cheese on. That's how it looks like. And now I'm going to put it on the tray. You can decorate the pizza like this with jalapenos, cheese, red and yellow pepper, and sweet corn. So this is my pizza done and my little brother's pizza done, and I can't wait to cut it. You can cut it any way you like. In 4 quarters, or you can even do strips. Like that. Now I'm gonna taste the pizza.
How is it?
It's good. Thank you for watching. Please do share, subscribe and like.